What's up, guys? It's been a while. I know I haven't been very active on social media lately. Kind of just took a month off, but I was going through and cleaning up the garage. Came across some of my really cool old Volkswagen memorabilia. Volkswagen wiring diagrams from 1999. Even for the Mexican models, Corrado SLCs. Like, my next favorite one that I haven't seen at any like shows or anything, the new Beetle convertible top VHS tapes. You guys never even had to watch a VHS tape, but there it is. Looks like it's never even been used. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen these. These were all the quick reference guides from over the years. They have all of your torque specs and everything nicely highlighted and easy to get to. I have an 0708 Touareg right here, CC, Tiguan, Jetta Hybrid, that's an odd one. We got New Beetle, we got EOS, second gen Touareg, I guess that would be Mark 6. Jetta GLI, 07 to 08 Passat V6 platform. Wow, might be the oldest one I have. The 98 to 2005 B5 platform Passat. I also have all of our self-studies from when we were in class at the Volkswagen Academy. These were all awesome. They go through all of your different functions and what everything does, how it works, how it communicates throughout the system. Just very cool stuff if you're into nerdy Volkswagen shit like me. This has got to be my favorite. These are microfiche, and if you don't know what they are, go and look them up. They haven't been around for a long time. These are dated from, let's see what we got. We got 77 being the earliest, all the way up to 1997. This microfiche, which I'd have to have a projector to see all these small, tiny little things. It says it is discounted parts. Oh, here we go. Audi 200 Turbo from the 80s. Parts and wiring diagrams. I assume these were used for the parts department more than anything. Came across these, thought you guys might be interested. If you guys want to see more of my crazy Volkswagen collections, please comment down below. Thanks, guys.